Hello and welcome. In this session, we are going to see how to set and achieve SMART goals. In this video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide to setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. What does SMART stand for? Be specific, make it measurable, check achievability, stay relevant, and be time-bound. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals that gets results. So SMART goals to get the results. Who's ready to crush their goals and finally make things happen? I'm going to show you how to set SMART goals that ignite your drive and deliver results, not just wishful thinking. Let's go. Step one is be specific. You've got to get crystal clear. Vague goals, they kill momentum. Instead of I want to get fit, say I will lose 15 pounds and run a marathon by June 30th. Specific targets, laser focus your mind and energy. So clear and crystal precise goals. Step 2. Make it measurable. If you can't measure it, you can't win it. Track your progress, weekly wins, training logs, whatever it is. Celebrate those wins. Every small victory fills your hunger for more. Example, lose 2 pounds per week, run 3 times per week. Step 3. Check achievability. Own your power with realistic stretch. Stretch, but stay real. Your goals must challenge you, yet be within your reach with effort. Ask yourself, do I have the resources, skills, and time? If not, create a plan to get them. Step 4. Stay relevant. Purpose turns goals into unstoppable forces. Why does this matter? Your emotional fuel runs on purpose. When you connect to your why, to set an example for my kids or to gain freedom, you turn your ordinary goals into unstoppable drives. Step 5. Be time bound. A goal without a deadline is just a wish. Set your date, own it, and break it down into bite sized weekly actions. Deadlines create urgency. No more waiting, no more procrastinating. Now it's your turn. Write one SMART goal, connect to your why, and commit to one massive action today. Action beats intention every time. So, if you want more, comment below and I'll help you go from stuck to unstoppable with an RPM system which will help you own your extraordinary life. Are you ready to get to your next level? Hit subscribe and comment for any questions you have regarding SMART goals. Thank you and see you next time.